whether or
Steve,
not.
Steve was to remind you that Steve was talking about interplanetary monetary units that
Yes,
are not made of gold, silver, copper, nickel, and even paper.
thank you.
That
That's right.
right
Yes,
that there's there were all those uniums that he was listing, that are good fodder for manufacturing of physical coins. But Steve was also saying that there is an intergalactic monetary system that folks are beginning to think, because once we get someone on the other side of light years of travel, do we want
yes,
also to follow them with coins? Wouldn't it be better to beam the money to them,
yes.
to intergalactic e-currency?
Yes,
So,
don't have expectations about cramming a lot of intergalactic money into a water jug, right? It just, I won't say it's impossible, but it's very unlikely.
right, and I'm not sure that the compounded interest involved in traveling the physical coins light years. I mean, you were talking about 64 years times 64 years. We're talking about light years.
Yes,
A single penny with compounded interest at one light year away, is an incomprehensible amount of money.
yes,
So you'll want to transfer the money electronically at the speed of light rather than the speed of rocket ships to save money.
absolutely.
The faster you get that money there, the less compounded interest you have to pay on it. On the other hand,